Over the last several years, Western Canada has experienced major economic growth, resulting in a concurrent demand for industrial, commercial, and residential construction materials. However, local gravel supplies in major markets are becoming more scarce, more difficult to access, and costly to maintain. Gravel sources are more remote and thus are subject to increasing costs to bring them to the marketplace. The need for a safe, economical, and environmentally friendly means of gravel transportation is critical to fulfill current and projected demands. Standard General's vision to address these issues was to carry the resource by rail to urban centers, Edmonton being the first chosen location. Several locations along rail tracks in the Athabasca River Valley were investigated, and the Windfall site was selected due to the volume of quality gravel available and the location of a rail line.
The main advantage that Standard General customers have received through the Windfall-Atchison project is the enhanced quality of aggregate product. There are no more shortages. There is more consistency with pricing.
The Windfall site is able to provide gravel materials to Western Canada's construction projects for the next 60 years. Various sizes of asphalt and base coarse gravel meeting provincial and municipal government and industrial specifications are produced at Windfall and transported to Atchison. 1.5 million tons of aggregates are produced and shipped annually. The 100 gravel car train travels on a daily basis between the Windfall site near Fox Creek, Alberta, and the newly constructed unloading facility and asphalt plant at Atchison, just north of the city of Edmonton. Two trains travel simultaneously on the railway, one loading at Windfall, one being unloaded in Atchison. At the Windfall facility, two tunnels for large volume shipments take the gravel from the stockpile to the tipple. Material is brought to the cars through conveyor belts, and a double bin weighing system ensures load weight accuracy. Automatic loading by way of tipple at Windfall takes approximately 4 hours for 100 cars, which is 10,000 tons of gravel. After a 300-kilometer trip, the train arrives at Atchison, Standard General's new state-of-the-art unloading and asphalt facility. The unloading process is completely automated with a 200-ton hopper beneath the tracks. This acts as the receiving hopper when the bottom dump of the rail car is activated. From the hopper, a conveyor belt takes the material to its desired location. At Atchison, materials are stored in 6 stockpile areas for asphalt products and 1 area for base coarse products, with 1 additional area also available.
The advantage that we all see is the Atchison facility will take up to 1 million tons of aggregate. That relates to 10,000 rail cars, which relates to 74,000 tandem axle trucks that are off the highway, which makes the highway safer, which makes the infrastructure last longer, which reduces our CO2 carbon imprint significantly.
Gravel supply by rail has the potential to supply a broad spectrum of customers, both private and public, who require large volumes of quality material that otherwise would not be economical to supply by traditional means. We also supply product to various construction companies undertaking projects that are reasonably close to our Atchison facility or any other existing unloading facility.
Standard General is in a position with the Windfall pit to not only service the Edmonton area market, but to service some of the mega projects that are within the Edmonton area market.
Public organizations that can benefit include all levels of government who require gravel to meet the requirements of publicly tendered projects. Gravel supply by rail fulfills the need to deliver high-quality gravel in a safer, more economical, more sustainable, and more efficient manner. This allows Standard General to deliver this important resource anywhere a rail line exists with unloading infrastructure. The result is a guaranteed source of critical building material to help support Western Canada's growing economy. Wherever there's a railroad, Standard General can bring the needed material to your project site.